Do you want to make shoes like this? Well, I can show you how to make these shoes. Obviously, I'm not going to do them today because I just made them one, but I will be making mine tomorrow morning if this girl puts her toe back into her slipper. Right. As we got the toes back inside, these are the shoes. They made them themselves. I obviously did the whole setup of it to make it into the slipper, and they decorated it their own way. So this is how they decorated the shoes. The slippers are comfortable. Are they comfortable?
Yeah. Yes.
Can you walk in them?
Yeah. Yes.
You can
And
walk
there's
in them.
parts.
Did their own little designs. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And these are the shoes obviously we're gonna go be promoting out here soon. I used to do this when I was like really young, and I used to teach my sister how to do it. So I thought I'd teach my children how to do it, and then obviously teach you guys how to do it afterwards.